You know what? He says I can't use my hands too. I'll smother you. Oh God. He can't punch.
Sorry, I didn't mean to. I apologize.
All right. Also no twisting. Let's make that a rule. Okay, other than that, no touching of the hair or face.
There are no.
You're like grabbing the hair. Knock her down.
Why are you not falling?
Fall down.
God, you're taller than me.
We should walk around her 7 times and then shout. Just knock her off already. It never takes this long. What is wrong?
This is getting ugly.
Why are we so strategic?
You're really
Just
great,
do something stupid.
Aw, thank you, Paige. I think you're great too.
They're not being vicious enough.
Oh my gosh! Someone fall!
Come on, Daniel. Come on. Take him on. You are on film, by the way.
William!
All right, go. Go, go, go. Oh, come on, you two.
Other battle cries.
Come on, Hillary. Take her on.
Just fall off.
I can't make her fall.
Hey!
Stop being nice.
Just fall off. That's too much to ask him. Just fall off.
What are they talking about? Something philosophical? No, they're just yelling.
Alright guys, today's lesson, perseverance of the saints.
Ha!
Come on. Yay!
Great!
That was a round well played.
That was a long chicken game.
How did we go that long?